Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the battery of a Chinese Gagarin watch. You see the back of the watch, it has holes here, so you might think that you should turn this like this, the back cover, so that it opens, but in reality these are fake and this is a snap-off cover. So with this tool you just pry the back cover open like this, and the watch opens. Now you need to remove the spacer slowly, and this watch takes a 377 battery. So to remove the battery you can use this tool, and the battery is removed here. It's really badly made. So let's insert the new battery and see if it works. This is a new battery, inserted, and this is the spacer put back on. Now let's see if it works. And yes, the watch started working. So now I will be closing the back cover. Because it's a snap off, I just have to insert it. There's here a small hole that should align with the pin. Just have to push hard, and here it is. Went back into its place, and the battery now is changed. I hope you liked my video and found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching.
Here, like this, that, just push it, and it should be.
I think it's all broken.